Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Python programming and explore the fundamentals of Python variables. So what are variables? Variables are reserved memory locations used to store values in Python programs. This means when we create a variable we reserve some space in the memory. Python doesn't have a command to declare a variable, so the variable is created the moment you assign a value to it. Based on the variable's data type, the Python interpreter allocates memory and determines what can be stored in the allocated memory. Variables do not have to be declared with a specific type and can change data types after being set. The equal to sign is used to assign a value to a variable. Reserved keywords cannot be used in variable names. We can delete the reference to the variable using del statement. Single or multiple objects can be deleted using del statement. The example below creates a variable x and assigns it the number 10. Later, we used the del statement to delete the variable x. When I try to print the value of x, Python throws an error that the name x is not defined. In the following example, we created two variables, x and y, and deleted both with the del statement. A single value can be assigned to multiple variables simultaneously. That is, you can create multiple variables at the same time. In the first picture, I created the variables a, b, and c at the same time and assigned the value 10. Here an integer object with a value of 10 is created and all three variables are allocated the same memory space. In the second figure you can see that the variables a and b have the same address. The id method is used to get the object's address. You can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables. In the third diagram, I assign the values 1 and 2 to a and b and the string hello to the variable c. Local variables are defined within a function and cannot be accessed outside the function. In this diagram, we created a function called sum and used a local variable called local within the sum function. Attempting to print this local variable resulted in variable not defined error. A global variable is defined outside a function. If you use a global variable inside a function, you must use the global keyword. If you create a variable with the same name as global inside a function, it will refer to the local variable inside the function. Global variables remain the same and can be used outside the function. The example shown creates two global variables x global and y global and assigns them the value 10. I defined a function called updateGlobal, and to use the x global variable I used the keyword global in front of it. I created a local variable y global inside the function and assigned it the value 30. Then I updated the global x value with the sum of x global and y global. Following the order of the print functions, first it printed the unupdated x global value 10, then it printed the updated x global value. That is 40, then it printed y global value which is a local variable and the value is 30, then it printed y global value which is global variable and the value is 10. Thank you for watching the video. You can download the presentation from the description box below. If you have any suggestions or questions, please comment below.